Hey friends, if Windows Media Player is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So search for the word Media Player in the Windows search bar and click on the downward pointing arrow in the right pane. Select App Settings. Now scroll down to the terminate this app first, then click on Repair. Wait till you get a tick mark here. If it doesn't help, then reset the application. Okay. This should solve the problem, but if it does not solve the problem, then uninstall the Media Player application from the same page and wait for a few seconds till it gets uninstalled. Then search for Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store and search for the word Media Player and hit enter. Okay, now go to Windows Media Player and click on install here. You don't need to wait while it installs, just minimize it and continue with your work. In a while, it will get reinstalled. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.